Guys, today's video, I will show you how to fix this problem. Just follow and watch this video till the end. To fix this problem on your game Block Blast, open the settings of your device first. Click now on Apps option and search here for Block Blast. Click on it like this. As you can see, we'll find this list. Scroll it down little until you find storage and click. Here be careful, click just clear cache. Don't click clear data because you will lose your data inside the game. Next, after that, you should back now. Click for stop, click OK. Now move to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. It's the same. Open it and search for Block Blast. If you found here the update button, you should update your game. If you don't find, there is no need. Next, restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.